Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the latest Range Rover screens, basically the second generation screens that we just released. This is the factory screen, used to be here, so we replaced it to the Android screen. This is the second generation, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of hard, 1920 resolution with 8-core processor, Android 9, and it's anti-glare blue screen. So it retains all the factory functions, so you can go back to the Range Rover menu, and before here we had home, setup, parking, turn off the screen, phone, nav, audio, video, and mode. Right now they retain them as a touch screen buttons, so we can use the touch screen to use any of those functions. For example, touching the media, phone, and the navigation. And also it retains all the factory cameras. Even if the car comes with 360 camera, it retains all the cameras. Actually, this Range Rover has some problem with the right side camera and the rear camera. Customer is gonna take it to Range Rover dealer to replace the cameras. And by clicking home, we go to the Android mode. This is the latest layout for the screen. You can change it to white or black. Right now we put it on the black mode. Also we can set it up to white mode. This is the white mode. That depends on the customer. Apps are here. You can download any apps from Play Store. And also right now we are doing wireless CarPlay with our USB dongle. By touching the car kit, it goes to the Apple CarPlay. It's fully touchscreen. You can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, you can play songs. I can't play any songs because of the copyright, but it shows the artworks. And by clicking on Land Rover logo, you go back to the other side, which is the Android side, and that's the offline maps. You can download any offline maps from Google Store, depends on what you need. That's the home. That's the dash that it shows RPM and the speed, and also it shows the temperature and kilometers. You can watch full screen videos. We're gonna activate the aux to have the sound.
Studies.com.
By going to auxiliary, selecting auxiliary, we can go back to the Android side.
Hell yeah.
They have sound.
Oh,
If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and book your appointment for installation. Thank you and have a great day.